It used to be that working on the go meant being cramped onto a single, tiny laptop screen. But in 2026, portable monitors have completely changed the game for digital nomads, students, and anyone who just needs more digital space. Today we're looking at this. The Acer PM161QT. It's a 15.6-inch, full HD portable monitor that promises to be lightweight, easy to connect, and crucially, it has a touchscreen. It comes in at a very budget-friendly price point, making it a very tempting option for anyone looking for a second screen for laptop setup. But with so many cheap portable monitors flooding Amazon right now, is the Acer brand name enough to make this the one to buy? We're going to test its display quality, plug it into a Windows laptop, and see how it handles the ultimate mobile test, Samsung DeX. Let's jump into the review. This is the retail product box, Acer Portable IPS Monitor, PM1 series. It has a full HD resolution with Vision Care display. The touchscreen model is PM161QT, with screen size of 15.6 inch or 40 centimeters. On the side is a sticker with the monitor details and specs. Now let's unbox this. Acer keeps the unboxing straightforward. This package comes with the monitor itself, and it has a decent protective sleeve, which is essential for travel. A USB-C to USB-C cable is provided. Next is a mini HDMI to HDMI cable. Also provided is a USB-C to USB-A female connector. There are a few documentations here. This is the Acer PM161QT Quick Guide. No explanation provided, just a pictorial guide. Next is the safety instructions in various languages. And finally, the warranty information booklet. Holding the PM161QT, the first thing you notice is the weight. At just 1.1 kilograms with a protective sleeve and 0.7 kilograms without the cover, it's incredibly easy to throw in a bag. It is mostly plastic construction, which keeps the weight down, but it doesn't feel cheap. The 15.6-inch IPS LCD display has a matte finish and plastic bezels with the top and sides measuring in at about 4 millimeters thin and a thicker bottom bezel with the Acer logo. It does not have a built-in kickstand on the back, but you can use the protective sleeve as a stand. It's stable enough for desk use, but don't expect it to hold up on a soft surface like a bed. For I/O, Acer has given us a solid selection. The right side has a power button, a dial to navigate the OSD menu, a USB-C port, and 3.5mm audio jack. On the left side, you have two full-function USB Type-C ports, meaning they handle both power and video signal, and a mini HDMI port for older devices or consoles. Let's talk specs. This is a 15.6-inch IPS panel with a 1080p resolution and a standard 60 Hz refresh rate. The standout feature here, though, is that 10-point capacitive touchscreen. Because it's an IPS panel, the viewing angles are solid. You can look at it from the side without the colors completely washing out, which is great for collaboration. Color accuracy is decent for general productivity work. Think spreadsheets, browsing, and watching YouTube. However, if you are a professional photo editor or colorist, this isn't for you. It covers basic sRGB, but it's not meant for color-critical work. The Achilles heel of almost every budget portable monitor is brightness, and the PM161QT is no exception. It sits around 220 to 250 nits. This is perfectly fine for indoor office lighting or a coffee shop, but if you try to use this outdoors on a sunny day, you are going to struggle to see the screen. The monitor comes with a 1-meter-long USB-C to USB-C cable. This cable length is sufficient for me, but if you need to connect from opposite sides of the laptop and monitor, you will need to get a longer cable. Alright, let's do the main test. How does it work as a second screen for a laptop? I'm using a laptop carrying a Thunderbolt port here. It truly is plug and play. One cable supplies power from the laptop and carries the video signal. The desktop extends immediately. Having this vertical 15.6-inch screen next to my main display is a productivity lifesaver. I can have video editing software open on one side and my script or other tools on the other. And the touch feature works seamlessly with Windows 11. Scrolling through long documents or just tapping to pause a video feels very natural. It just adds that layer of convenience you miss when switching from a tablet back to a PC. Just a quick pause. If you're finding this review helpful in deciding on your next gear setup, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button down below. It helps me get more tech in here to test for you guys. Alright, back to the review. Now, for my favorite use case for portable touchscreen monitors, Samsung DeX. If you have a compatible Samsung phone, this is where the magic happens. Because the Acer PM161QT has pass-through charging, you can plug a power bank or direct power into one USB-C port on the monitor and plug your phone into the other. The monitor powers the phone while displaying DeX. This turns your phone into a full-blown desktop computer. And the best part? The touchscreen support is flawless within DeX. You can drag windows, open apps, and navigate the entire interface without needing a mouse or keyboard attached. It is an incredibly minimalist travel setup. If you are a Samsung Power user, this monitor is almost a must-have accessory just for this feature. Quick note on the extras. The on-screen display or OSD menu is accessible via the button on the side. You can use the touchscreen interface to navigate and adjust various settings, such as adjusting brightness and contrast. The monitor has built-in speakers. They exist. That's about the best compliment I can give them. They lack bass and don't get very loud. They are fine for system notification sounds, but for watching a movie or gaming, please use the headphone jack or Bluetooth. Let's wrap this up with the pros and cons. The pros are portability. It's very lightweight and thin. Connectivity. Dual USB-C and mini HDMI covers most devices. Touchscreen. It's responsive and adds great utility, especially for DeX. Value. The price-to-performance ratio is very high here. The cons are brightness. It struggles in bright environments. Speakers. They are underwhelming. Build material. It's plastic, so you'll want to use that included sleeve to avoid scratches. So, is the Acer PM161QT worth it? If you are looking for a color-accurate professional display, then the answer is no. But if you are a student, a business traveler, or someone who just needs more screen real estate without breaking the bank, this is an excellent option. The addition of the touchscreen elevates it above many other basic portable monitors in this price range. It's reliable, it's versatile, and it gets the job done. If you want to check the current price or pick one up, I'll drop links down in the description below. Those are often affiliate links that might have discounts applied, so do check them out to save some cash. That's our full detailed review of the Acer PM161QT Portable Monitor. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.